My name is Jonathan Hargreaves and I work for TRN Training. In this short TRN Taster, I shall be describing numerous English language techniques. This taster will provide support for the functional skills reading test. We shall look at the various techniques as well as some examples. Let's first of all start with bias. Opinions or statements which are not neutral and often not supported by evidence. So we might say, you will love our new smartphone. The essential guide to computers. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is an exaggeration used to persuade the reader or emphasize a point. We say, the best bakery in town. An amazing deal. A rhetorical question is when we question something, but it does not always require an answer. Who doesn't like free stuff? Are you kidding me? These are rhetorical questions. An idiom. An idiom is a colloquial phrase which cannot be literally understood. It's raining cats and dogs. He's a diamond geezer. A simile is when we are describing something by comparing it to something else. She ran like a cheetah. He sang like a strangled cat. A metaphor is when we are describing something by saying it is like something else. New York is a concrete jungle. He cried buckets when he watched Titanic. An oxymoron is when two words are used that contradict one another. So we could say, act natural. Same difference. That was a near miss. Contradictory words. Onomatopoeia is when words sound like their meaning and make writing more dramatic. So we could say bang, crash, fizz, splash are all words that relate to onomatopoeia. Alliteration is a slogan or phrase where words start with similar letters or sounds. So we can say Bob's Burgers or cool, clear and crisp. Exaggeration is when we are describing something as bigger or more than it actually is. Everyone loves the Apple mobile phone. The most comfortable mattress in the world. A rule of three is where three words or clauses are used to make a point, especially when we describe something. Faster, cheaper, longer. If you love good music, good food and cool fashion, you'll love the show. Slang or colloquialism is when language is casual and conversational. We might say something, oh, that's the bee's knees, or not fussed, or what you gonna do? That was all part of the English language, some of the phrases that can be used. As I said earlier, this plays an important part in the reading test. The reading test consists of lots of questions about writing that you will be asked what English language is being used, and therefore this is a topic that you should familiarise yourselves with. I hope you've enjoyed this TRN Taster, and I hope to see you all soon.